Hi everyone. Today I am going to prove a trigonometrical identity. What is that? We have to prove that 4 cos square 9 minus 3 into 4 cos square 27 minus 3, that should be equal to tan 9 degree. How shall we proceed? That I will show you here. Now, from a basic rule of trigonometry, we know the formula of cos 3x. Why I am taking the formula of cos 3x, you will come to know. What is that? That is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x, right? That is the formula for cos 3x. So here I can take cos x common from this step, and it can be written as within bracket 4 cos square x minus 3. So if I want to keep 4 cos square x minus 3 in one side, that should be equal to cos 3x by cos x. That is a universal rule. 4 cos square x minus 3 can be written as cos 3x by cos x. So let us apply this formula in the context of our problem. Let us put first x equal to 27 degree. So in that case, what will happen? If this is the first expression and this is the second expression, then my second expression will become 4 cos square 27 degree minus 3 equal to, as per my formula derived in the upper line, is basically cos 3 into 27 degree, that is cos 3x whole divided by cos 27 degree, right? Which is nothing but cos 81 degree divided by cos 27 degree. This is the second expression. Now let me concentrate on the first expression. So I am keeping the second expression aside, and I am writing it here as this one as cos 81 degree by cos 27 degree. So this can be written further as cos 81 degree by cos 27 degree. Let us now calculate the first expression. What is that? The first expression is 4 cos square 9 degree minus 3. 4 cos square 9 degree minus 3. So it should be, as per my derived formula, it is cos 3 into 9 degree, that is cos 3x, whole divided by cos x, that is cos 9 degree, right? So it should be cos 3 into 9 degree by cos 9 degree. That means it should be cos 27 degree in the numerator, and in the denominator it should be cos 9 degree. So this is the first expression and this is the second expression. So if I multiply these two as per my problem, my main expression becomes cos 27 degree by cos 9 degree, which is coming from this step, into cos 81 degree divided by cos 27 degree, right? This is the second expression that we have already derived, and this is the first expression we have derived just now. So cos 27 degree as cos 27 degree goes off, so it becomes cos of 81 degree divided by cos of 9 degree. Now cos 81 degree can be written as cos of 90 degree minus 9 degree by cos 9 degree. What is cos 90 degree minus theta? That is sin theta. That means it is sin 9 degree divided by cos 9 degree, which is same as tan 9 degree. That we wanted to prove as per our problem. So this is a trigonometric identity, which is basically proving left hand side equal to right hand side, which was intended to prove. So this is a good example of proving a trigonometrical identity. I would request everyone to view this video, and if you like it, I would request everyone to view, watch and subscribe my channel. Thank you.